I'll share with you guys how I make pistachio frappuccino at home. Super easy, napakadali lang yung gawin. And ito yung mga gagamitin ko. First, I have pistachio butter. I'm also gonna use a little bit of coffee. And I'm also gonna use milk. I'm using oat milk. Ito yung milk na lagi kong ginagamit sa aking mga coffee pag gumagawa ako ng coffee. And of course, whipped cream. Gagamit din tayo ng blender and of course, ice cube. And dyan na yung ice cube ko. Nalagay ko na siya, about a cup of ice cube. So yeah, let's make our homemade pistachio frappuccino. I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons of this pistachio butter. Sobrang bango ng pistachio. Yan. And then, maglalagay ako ng about just a teaspoon of my instant coffee. Yan. I'm using Nescafe Gold Espresso na decaf siya. And then, I'm gonna add about 150 ml of oat milk, or you can use any milk that you prepared. Hi, sweetheart. I'm making my homemade frappuccino. Do you want some chocolate frappuccino for yourself?
No, thank you.
Magdadagdag tayo na about 150 ml, guys. So, just... I'm making a video. Ilagay na natin to siya sa blender. I-blend lang natin siya ng about, I think, 30 seconds. Ayan na, guys. I just ran it in the blender for about 45 seconds. Lagay na natin siya dito sa ating baso. It's a little bit challenging doing this. I hope I won't make a mess. Because I always make a mess. Oh, wait a minute. I might try to work at Starbucks. Maybe I could have more experience in making frappuccino. And here we are. How to shoot it exactly. And then, maglalagay lang tayo ng whipped cream. Ayan. Tikman na natin. Oh, ang sarap. Super delicious, guys. At super easy lang siya gawin. Ang sarap-sarap. Thanks for watching. Hopefully to see you in my next vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. God bless you guys.